This is the Waldhoff Quantum. It is one of our more special or unique products. It consists of a Swiss sapphire case through which you can look at the mechanical intricacies of the movement through the side. It is sandwiched between a two-part stainless steel case. It is polished on the side and circular brushed on top. It houses a HZ36K1 twin barrel tourbillon movement. It has 28,800 beats per hour and 20 joules. I'm going to go over the winding now. So to wind the watch, you will simply grab the crown and turn it clockwise. As the movement reaches the full capacity, the crown will become more sticky and have more resistance. And you should stop there because overwinding a mechanical watch may damage it. You can also look at the twin barrels here in the back and also visible through the front right here. You will notice there's two spiral springs inside them, and those will give you an idea of the level of winding. The looser the spirals are, the less energy they contain, and if they are tightly wound, then the watch is at full capacity. This watch has a power reserve of around 65 hours, and this varies in real life conditions depending on how you wear the watch and what you do with it, etc. To adjust the time, it is a same process as any other mechanical watch. You grab the crown and you pull it out, and then you turn the crown clockwise, and once you reach the time you want, you push it back in like so. Now I will show you how to change the straps. So you put the watch face down on a smooth surface such as a cloth or maybe some leather, and you use something like a credit card, and you will slide those small levers on each side of the ends of the straps. So I use the edge of the card right here, and I will slide it inwards like so, and this shortens the length of the spring bar and it comes off. Same process here. There we go. Now to put the strap back on, I will start with the opposite end of the spring bar and put it in the lug. And then I grab the small lever and I try to move the strap to find the hole in this lug right here. Same process here. Opposite end goes in. I push in the lever and hopefully, yeah, there we go. Strap is back on. So it's a very easy process. It's a little bit more complicated for the steel bracelet. It might take a little longer. To put the watch on, you will first have to grab those two buttons on the deployment clasp and lift it this way. I will do it again. Push those two buttons and lift it up. Then I put the long end of the strap into the buckle and I insert this little pin into a hole on the strap, like this. To close the watch, the end of the strap goes into this loop, and you simply push it down like this. To open it, you push these two buttons and it comes open. If this was too tight, then you can lift this flap and move it to the next hole over, and so. To keep the watch looking new for as long as possible, you want to avoid contact with hard surfaces. The watch is made of a stainless steel case on the outside, and that's a material that does get scratched up, so avoid placing it on metal or concrete or banging the watch into things, and try to keep it in a gentle environment. This is not a sport watch, it's a fine tourbillon. To clean the watch, you can use something like a cloth or microfiber and clean the watch like so. Do not use any soap or detergents or chemicals to do that. The straps have a lifespan of approximately 3 to 4 years, depending on the temperature and how much you sweat. Now, if you're planning on not using the watch for a few months, it is recommended to wind the watch at least once or twice a month. You also want to occasionally change the orientation of the watch. So for example, if it's in a flat position, you want to flip it upside down once a month or so. The reason is the oil within the movement will tend to seep lower to the lowest part of the watch due to the effects of gravity. So flipping it upside down will help to keep the oil within the gears. This is it. I hope this review was clear, and if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.